Should you use a ShopVac on the indoor access tee? No. Use a shop vacuum only from the outdoor termination or cleanout located outside the structure, never from the indoor access tee. Most obstructions are located downstream of that tee or in the trap beneath the building, so vacuuming from inside pushes debris deeper and wastes time. First, locate the outdoor cleanout, remove its cap, and seal any nearby vents or drains to avoid backflow. Set the shop vacuum to its highest suction, and use a rigid hose or straight adapter to maintain airflow. Flexible crevice tools reduce effectiveness. Apply short bursts of suction rather than continuous pull to break up compacted material and avoid overheating the vacuum motor. After vacuuming, run water through the drain for several minutes to confirm flow and check for leaks around the outdoor cleanout afterwards. Common mistakes include trying to vacuum from the indoor access tee, which moves clogs deeper, stop immediately, and switch to the outdoor cleanout to access the downstream blockage. Another issue is failing to clear the trap under the house, which often holds debris. If suction does not remove the clog, inspect or remove the trap using a plumbing snake or by briefly breaching the trap at the outdoor access while prepared to catch water. A third concern is overheating or damaging the vacuum when users run it continuously. Prevent that by using short bursts, allowing the motor to cool, and never vacuum liquids unless the tool is rated for wet use. We operate bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to plumbing and cleaning projects. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips and ask project-specific questions.